What's going on, guys? Today I'm back again. It's been like 2 months already since I haven't uploaded no videos. I just been really busy, have a new job, and it takes up all my time now. But anyways, I have some new goodies. And before we start this video, I always want to thank all the people that have been subscribed to my channel, even though I haven't been uploading or been active on it. Apologize for that. I'm gonna try to start pushing out videos every Sunday now. It's my only day off, and I'm gonna be having some new videos coming up pretty soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys whatever I have now, and it's gonna be coming up every Sunday now. Some of you on Instagram might know already. Then follow me on there. Maybe if you don't, go ahead and follow me. And we have we're gonna be doing an oil change, which I'm pretty sure some of you already know how to do oil change, but I have never done a DUI oil change on my car, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I have a brand new diverter Kaiser, if I'm right, diverter boost valve, if I'm guessing. Should be right here, one right there. I guess this is a much better one. It holds the boost better. You don't have no boost leaks in the future, stuff like that. More durable, in other words. And we have a brand new what's it called, oil pan screw, whatever you want to call it, plastic screw. And we're gonna be doing the Rick and Molly oil change, which I already have in my car previously. I just never actually made the video for it. This is the second time I'm running it, and I have some pretty good reviews on this oil. It's actually pretty good. I'm hoping this freaking camera is catching the video, or I mean the audio recording, because last time I had some problems with my other GoPro. It wasn't catching no audio, so the fucking file was corrupted and it went to crap. But anyways, let's start with this video. And you guys stay tuned for all these stuff I'll be doing to the car. Nothing big, but it's worth watching. Because I mean, I try to look up Audi A3s like my car and try to see if they have a tune. I don't find none. All I find is GTIs. That's all I find, GTIs. Other than Camel Potluck, he has his stage 2, if I'm guessing, A3 2.0. Anyways, let me go ahead and grab the tools, and then I'll come back to you guys. So it's pretty straightforward, guys. What we're gonna need here is gonna be god damn, what is this? Oh, we're gonna need a T30. You guys can see right there. Yes, probably can't see, but it's a T30 Torx, if I'm right. Put the screw down here. Let me show you what's at. Right there. We're gonna release that one. The camera's just gonna stay in one spot. Alright. We're gonna need a 7mm. So I can take off, so you can take off, or mine's different, so I'm gonna take off my whole intake pipe here, and then I'll get onto that right over there. Oh, here's the turbo inlet. That shit looks pretty small in person, honestly, but whatever. Now let's get this started. Alright. But anyways, for you guys that don't know what a turbo inlet is, in other words, the one that you have in your car, it's much more restrictive, and it makes the turbo work harder to build that boost. But you guys will see why. You guys will see the difference between that one and the stock one once I get this crap off. Da, da, da. Almost there. By the way, I go into work in 3 hours, so I'm doing this. I'm trying to do this video so I can show you guys. I could have waited Sunday, but you know, I can't wait. I have to get it done now. At least that. Alright. So just as that, simple and easy, came right off. This one doesn't want to come off though. There we go. So that's off. I think the car still, I gotta wash it again, the engine. Oh, well, here it is, guys. Right there. I'm gonna take that off. Make sure, I don't know if you guys can see it on the video. Just take off the sensor right here. It's the diverter, or whatever it's called, blow off diverter or whatever. Tell us so it won't be in your way, in other words. Okay, it's just oily as hell. There we go. So we gotta take off this dumb pipe. A lot of people have problems with it. For that, I'm gonna take off the little screw over here. They're actually not that tight. They're pretty loose, I want to say. Okay, so that's, I think, pretty much off. Okay, there we go. That's off. Okay, that's good. Alright guys, so sorry if I didn't show it, but I caught it. Alright, so you guys can see right here, see those two little clips. Anyways, so basically what you do, this twist by the way too, basically what you do, as this is on there like that per se, right? This is on like that, you pretty much try to jam up. Oh, you guys can't even see it. Make it you guys pretty much, let's say it's on like that, right? Probably you guys can see any closer than that. Zoom in. Alright, so pretty much you get a screwdriver right here, right there, and you put it right through the middle of it and try to squeeze it in. And then I grabbed another one, the bigger one, and I put it right here in the sides and try to, like, you know, and it came off slowly but surely. Don't try to rush it. Don't try to rush it at all, because you will break this. So you gotta be really extremely careful and just be smart about it. Don't be impatient. But anyways, I got it off. Obviously it's off. Let me go ahead and show you guys the difference. Sway all over my car. So look at this little ugly ass little thing. Look at that little hole. Right? Look at that. Look at this one. You can see literally to the other side of the freaking pipe. Look at that. Much better. Probably possible thumbnail. Probably. Who knows? There, CTS. Back to this again. Hopefully I'm not you guys' point of view. But let me go ahead and oh well, you know what? I'll probably put that at the end. There's no point in putting it on right now. So basically it goes like that or whatever. Oh yeah, but don't forget, you need your little seal off of here. Gotta get that off with the flathead or whatever, just trying to rip or something. Alright guys, so got the seal off the other one. Put it back on this one. Not behind the thing. Oh, give me a second. There it is. Go. Basically. Put it back on there. Come on. Alright. So that's pretty much in already. Now we get your T30. Screw that I told you guys about. Right back on it. Put this back, this PCV hose or whatever it's called. Right back on. There. Click back on. Put your little switch back on. There it is. That's done. Get your pipe. Put it back on here. Alright guys, so got it done. Everything's on there. These little things, clamp holders, for a bitch. For this section over here. Such a little tiny spot, it's annoying, but whatever. Here's the old one. Tiny as fuck. Especially around this area right here. It's pretty tiny. But yeah. I mean, this shot has to take you about 30 minutes. If you happen to drop your seal, then it's gonna take longer, because then you'll have to take off your bottom shield. Which I did right now. That's it. It took me like an hour. I was taking off the shield. I had no jacket with me. I had to get my emergency jack and jack it up. Fucking no, man, that was a bitch. But yeah, pretty much done already. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go wash my hands, take a quick shower, get ready for work. But we'll come back once I'm driving back to work, let you guys know how it really feels, see if I feel a difference. So, first impressions on the turbo inlet. So I'm gonna say it again. Basically, what the turbo inlet does, it doesn't make the turbo work so hard to build that boost that you're trying to get at that moment or at that second when you give it that gas. In other words, it's a more open up inlet. It's not so restricted from factory no more. It's nice and open now. I'm guessing it's like a 64 millimeter, the opening on it. In other words, it builds faster the boost that you need, and it gives you that faster response. Doesn't mean that give you horsepower or none of that. It just gives you a faster response to the boost or to your gas pedal that you're trying to take off. They don't give you too much turbo lag. But yeah, basically that's all it does. But so far, I'm hoping you guys liked the video. I mean, I tried my best to explain the swap of the turbo inlet. I mean, I know there's other videos you guys can probably watch. GTI is the same thing as my A3. It's just an Audi with the GTI engine. But anyways, there's other videos you guys can watch. I was just trying to make my own DIY, and people that don't have I mean, now I haven't seen much videos of Audi A3s with turbo inlet swaps other than GTIs. But yeah, they're the same engines and everything. There's nothing different about them. Same thing. But yeah, I try to do as much as of a good DIY that I could. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and thank you again to all the subscribers that gave me those subscriptions. That helps out the channel a lot. That shows that people are really interested in my videos, even though I haven't uploaded. But like I said, I'm gonna start uploading again on Sundays, if possible. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys next video.